Welcome back to Simply Yummy Recipes. Today we are going to prepare a dish that is both incredibly delicious and remarkably easy to make. So, let's get started. Today I am sharing with you a recipe for a quick and delicious fried rice made with fish and vegetables. To begin, I have prepared all the fresh ingredients required for cooking. First, fry the pieces of fish in hot oil until they turn golden brown. Once the fish is fried, scramble the eggs in that very same pan. Next, lightly sauté the onions, garlic, and carrots. Then, add the cabbage, followed immediately by the broccoli and the necessary spices. Finally, add the pre-cooked rice. Give everything a good stir to mix it all together, and your delicious, wonderful fried rice is ready to be served. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this delicious fish and vegetable fried rice. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how your fried rice turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to Simply Yummy Recipes and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.